YouTube, and today I'm here with a Proaligner unboxing, and I ordered this on Sunday, and I received this package for the Proaligner on Wednesday today. So let's go check this out here. Okay, Proaligner package and the Proaligner tool. Well, these are pretty clear marks. Let's see here. Both sides, I like it. You know what? This is a pretty good feeling tool. I'll let you guys know how it goes once I throw it on the motorcycle. Looks like, there we go. Be able to lay this up against the rear wheel. Put this down. Overall, I'm impressed so far, so I'll let you guys know how it goes.